Hello everybody, welcome to our NEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapters Oscillations. Of course, we are seeing some portions from the chapter Waves also here. Okay. Because as far as the NEET syllabus is concerned, there was one unit which contains oscillations and also waves. Okay, that's all. So in an oscillating spring mass system, a spring is connected to a box filled with sand. As the box oscillates, sand leaks slowly out of the box vertically. There must be a small hole. There would have been a small hole in the box. So as time passes on, sand leaks slowly out of the box vertically. So that the average frequency omega of t and the average amplitude capital A of t of the system change with time t. Which one of the following options schematically depicts these changes correctly? So this is the question that has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2021. In option A, in all the graphs, time is taken along the x-axis. In the upper portion, omega t is taken on the y-axis. In the lower portion, amplitude is taken along the y-axis. In figure A, both the angular frequency as well as the amplitude increases as time passes on. In figure option B, both decreases with the time t. In figure 3, omega t increases with the time. As time passes on, omega t increases and amplitude remains constant, the same value. So in figure D, omega t increases with the time and amplitude decreases with the time. Which one is the right answer, sir? Let us solve the problem. As sand leaks out of the box, the mass of the system will decrease. Is it not? As time passes, slowly sand is getting out. So the total mass of the system will decrease. Okay. So the oscillating spring makes SHM. SHM means what? Simple harmonic motion or simple harmonic oscillation, whatever it may be. Its angular frequency omega is given by square root of k by m, where k is the force constant or spring constant and m is the mass of the system. It means what? As omega is inversely proportional to square root of mass. Is it not? So from the above equation, as mass m decreases, mass m decreases. When it is decreasing, it is going out as time passes on. That is, as time increases. When time increases, mass decreases. That you know very well. So according to this equation, omega will increase. As per the graph, as time increases, omega will also increase. This is for the upper portion. And what about the lower portion of the graph? The energy in simple harmonic motion or simple harmonic oscillation, both potential energy as well as kinetic energy, are functions of mass m. Is it not? What is the formula for kinetic energy? Half mv square. So it depends on mass. What is the formula for potential energy? mgh. It also depends on mass. So both VE and KE, ultimately the total energy is a function of mass m. Hence, when the mass decreases, that means what? As the sand leaks, the energy will decrease. There is a relation connecting the amplitude of the system and the energy of the system. What is it, sir? The equation is capital A is equal to square root of 2E by K. It means what? If energy increases, amplitude will also increase. If energy decreases, amplitude will also decrease. When energy will decrease, sir? When mass decreases, what is this? Amplitude will also, energy will also decrease and amplitude will also decrease. When mass will decrease, sir? As time passes on. Okay, that is as time increases. So as time increases, amplitude will decrease. So the graph satisfying both the conditions is D. Okay, so the fourth option, It is in the option D. As omega, as time increases, omega also increases. In the second case, as time increases, amplitude decreases. So the graph satisfying both the conditions is D. So option D is the right answer. Okay, that's all. So we'll see one more question from the chapter oscillations in our next video also. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.